What is the point of showing you earnings from a business you're not getting anything out of? The purpose is to give you motivation to take your own steps, to give you faith that if you do the right work, you will be rewarded for it. When you make your own business, and especially in an area like Bitcoin, you often will have no proof getting started that anything you're doing is going to be worth your time and effort. That's why people like regular paying jobs. You know, when you go give an hour of time, you get a certain amount of money. Building your own business is very challenging because it takes starting out on faith that the time and energy you put into what you're doing will be worth it. I used to hate seeing other people's earnings until I was ready to do something I loved every day. I love teaching on Udemy. That's why you're here with me. This spreadsheet is an indication of what I did after seeing another instructor's earnings. I saw an instructor who said they were making hundreds of thousands of dollars teaching courses on Udemy. That motivated me to do what I love doing. I love teaching. I love making these videos here with you. And I use this spreadsheet to track what I'm doing. I've tracked what I've done since December 2014, when I got that initial motivation from seeing what was possible. I looked at the instructor who showed their earnings and I said, if he can make hundreds of thousands on Udemy, I know I can at least make a living for myself teaching on Udemy. Now, I figured I could do even better than that instructor, and that's what motivated me to work. And I'm grateful now. Things are going extremely well for me on Udemy, which is how we're here together. So the point of this is, what are you motivated to do based on what you've seen? The material that's in this course doesn't actually matter at all. The only thing that matters is what you do based on it. This spreadsheet is a product of what I did based on taking another Udemy course. And it's paid me better than all of the other jobs I had in my life combined. And I loved doing it. I hated doing most of the other jobs I had. I love doing this. So you have the tools in this course to create a way of life where you love what you do and you get paid better than you've got paid before. The trick is you have to start on faith. I made this spreadsheet on faith. When I started up here, Udemy was making me very little. Up till this point, it had only cost me money, and I'd mostly wasted time and lost money in my business up until I went forward on faith. Once I got faith and got practical tools out of Udemy course to teach on Udemy, then this is what I've done with it. You have those same things here. So I'm honored to have the chance to share this with you here. You'll see me again in section 13.